This is a quick how to install Plex Mediaserver on FreeBSD. Plex Mediaserver is the back-end media server component of Plex. It organizes audio and visual content from various media libraries and streams it to their player counterparts, or front end, either on the same machine or on the same local network, or even over the internet. Here you can see that once you get past the login page and you're into the system, you're actually logged on to the local host, which is running the web server, the Plex server. And it gives you a brief rundown about how Plex works, and runs on the computer where you want to keep your media, and it automatically picks everything out for you. So once you understand that, you've read through it, just give it a got it and pass. So they try to get you to sign up to a monthly. If you don't want that, then they will just ignore that. Although price wise they're not too bad, but we'll close that for now. Right, we found a server, so Plex is telling you that it's found a server on your local host. Of course, that's how we're logged in. If you want to set up your media library, just click on here and it'll tell you where you want to set your library. In this case, let's have a look. I haven't got any particular stored on this machine. They're on a separate machine. But if I did, I would click one of these to see which ones I wanted to add, and then I'll click next. So in this case, I'll click cancel. Next, it tells you you can get apps. All set. Your Plex Media Server is working hard to find your media and to make it beautiful. Grab the Plex app for your favorite devices. But again, for me, it doesn't apply. And then done. That's interesting. It's filled these in for me. That's nice. So, if I had media, it would appear on there. And it's really not too bad. It will organize your things in a nice, coherent way. And yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, I personally use MIF TV. I much prefer the way that it does its front end and back end. And there's a very nice MIF client light version which will fit on the Raspberry Pi and run really nicely. And that's what I use as my front end, because it only uses roughly about 3 to 5 watts and it's on all day, so it saves a ton of money. But Plex is very nice indeed. It's very user friendly and it's really super easy to install. There's no complexity about it. It's really easy. So give it a go. See what you think about Plex. And thanks for watching.